Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Maxima headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. For safety, wear protective gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, as oils can shorten its lifespan. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your Maxima's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or an air duct to gain clear access. Use your flathead screwdriver if necessary. Once clear, find the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small release tab and gently pull the connector straight off. This exposes the bulb's base for removal. With the old bulb exposed, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its plastic base, and carefully insert it into the headlight assembly. Ensure the tabs on the bulb align with the slots in the housing. Twist the new bulb clockwise until it locks securely, feeling a slight click. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Reinstall any plastic covers or air ducts you removed earlier, securing them with their clips. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your Nissan Maxima headlight bulb. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.